Hello, parents and students. In today's competitive academic world, there's immense pressure to be exceptional at everything, to ace every subject, excel in every extracurricular, and be a polymath that is brilliant across the board. We try to mold our children into universal experts, believing that knowing a little bit about everything will pave their way to success. But what if this broad approach is fundamentally flawed? What if the key to true mastery, profound confidence, and sustainable success lies in a radical focus? This is the wisdom of the circle of competence, a concept championed by legendary investor Warren Buffett. So, today we are diving into the circle of competence and your child's education. So, in this video, you learn what the circle of competence is and how it applies to learning and academic achievement, why trying to be an expert in everything is a trap that leads to superficial knowledge and burnout, the profound reasons why deeply understanding a few key areas is more powerful path to success, and crucial strategies to help your child identify and grow their own circle of competence, maximizing their impact and confidence. So, basically, this is about strategically allocating energy for maximum learning and expertise. Pressure to excel in every single subject and activity is immense, but this be good at everything trap often leads to superficial knowledge. Your child learns a little about many things but rarely gains deep, profound understanding in any single area. Their knowledge is wide but shallow. Overwhelm and burnout. It's impossible for any human to be an expert in every subject. The relentless pursuit of universal mastery leads to chronic stress, anxiety, and eventual burnout. Diluted focus. Energy and attention are spread too thin across too many disciplines, preventing deep, sustained engagement in areas where they might truly excel. Fear of weakness. This mindset makes students reluctant to admit that they don't understand something, preventing them from seeking crucial help because it contradicts the image of being good at everything. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, credits much of his success to understanding and operating within his circle of competence. What is it? It's simply the mental boundary around which you genuinely understand a topic, an industry, or a skill. Buffett's philosophy is that he famously avoids investing in businesses he doesn't fully understand. He focuses intensely on a few key industries where he has deep expertise and he recognizes the limits of his knowledge in others. The power is that it promotes intellectual honesty, discipline, and efficient decision making. You avoid making costly mistakes by venturing into areas where you lack expertise. Applied to education. So, it's about helping your child identify their natural strengths and interests and fostering profound mastery in those areas while being intelligently aware of their limitations in others. Applying the circle of competence to your child's education brings immense benefits. Deep mastery and understanding. So, instead of superficial knowledge across many subjects, your child can achieve profound conceptual understanding in their chosen areas. They learn the why, not just the what. Strategic learning and resource allocation. Your child's precious time and energy are finite. So, by focusing on their core strengths and genuine interests, they can allocate their efforts where they will yield the greatest return on learning and impact. Authentic confidence. Confidence built on true, deep mastery is far more robust and lasting than confidence built on pretending to know everything or barely passing in multiple subjects. Knowing when to ask for help. When your child understands the boundaries of their competence, they are more likely to admit, I don't understand. Okay, so and proactively seek help from others like teachers or tutors. So, this is crucial for building knowledge gaps efficiently. Preparation for the real world. In the modern professional world, deep expertise in a few areas combined with the ability to collaborate and intelligently seek help in others is more valuable than being a generalist with shallow knowledge. So, how do you help your child identify and grow their own circle of competence? Identify core strengths and interests. What subjects does your child naturally gravitate towards? Where do they show innate talent, curiosity, or passion? Encourage exploration initially and then identify emerging areas of strength. Focus on deep mastery in key areas. For 2 to 3 core subjects or skills, encourage going beyond the curriculum. Seek profound understanding, independent research, or advanced projects. Strive for expertise in those chosen areas. Learn to recognize outside the circle. Teach your child that it's strength and not a weakness to identify when a topic is genuinely outside their current understanding. This is outside my circle of competence for now. Know when to seek help. The power of I don't know. Encourage them to ask specific questions, consult experts, or seek targeted tutoring when they encounter a topic outside their current circle, as we already discussed in the intellectual humility needed to ace the SAT video. Embrace bounded rationality. Teach them it's perfectly okay not to know everything. Focus their energy strategically where they can make the most impact, and this is where Wisdomy's personalized online tutoring can be your ultimate strategic partner. Wisdomy can help your child build deep mastery within their identified circle of competence. For example, excelling in advanced math or science, efficiently address subjects that are outside their circle but still required for school, helping them reach a foundational understanding without overinvesting time. Provide targeted, individualized instruction that allows them to allocate their energy strategically for maximum impact, avoiding burnout. So, Wisdomy helps you build competence where it matters the most. You can explore its impact by booking a free trial class, and the link is right there in the description below. So, your child's education isn't about knowing everything, it's about knowing what truly matters and developing deep expertise in those areas. So, by applying the wisdom of the circle of competence, you empower your child to focus their brilliance, achieve profound mastery, and build genuine confidence. This focused approach to learning will not only lead to academic success, but also to a fulfilling life where their unique contributions truly shine. So, discover your child's circle of competence and book a free consultation session with Wisdomy's academic strategist today. We help your child build deep mastery in their core strengths and achieve strategic success. So visit wisdomy.com to book your free consultation now. Your child's focused brilliance awaits.